Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I'm really excited to bring you, these are Deco Dots peel-offs, and they're these fantastic little self-adhesive holographic stickers. They're circles and they come in an array of colors. I can't wait to show you what I did with them, so come back and play with us. So we have got jewel Deco Dots, and these are festive Deco Dots, and let me show you how these work. Here's a card that I made with the jewel ones. And as you can see, just fun and colorful. This is a 6.5 by 5-inch card. Maybe we can zoom in a little bit. And what I did was I just peeled these off individually and overlapped them. I used the teal and the dark blue, and so it has sort of that one color color scheme, which is always really nice. And then I added at the top and the bottom some little colorful thin line stickers, and these are glitter colorful thin line stickers, and I just added some of the blue and the teal there. And then this happy birthday dazzle stickers, whoops, grab them right here, and well, that's not one. And then just peeled those off and added that at the bottom. And I found that yes, you can just use your thumbnail to peel them off, but it's also very nice to just have a little pokey tool to remove those. And I'm trying to find my pokey tool, but I think it's disappeared. So anyway, we'll do our best without it. So this is just an everyday happy birthday card. And I also wanted to show you this one right here, using the festive dots, festive Deco Dots. And these I just made into ornaments, okay? So let me take you through this. There's a lot of product here. So for the background here on my 5 by 6.5 inch card, I used Joyful Christmas 12 by 12 patterned cardstock. I just did a little strip of green here, and then I used an oval cutting die to cut this oval right here out of the coordinating green plaid, okay? And then added a little bit of gold sparkle holographic paper as the scalloped mat there. Okay, and then once I got that established, then I wanted to add some of these little, oops, here we go, some of this gold glitter thin line stickers. Those were my little hangers for my little ornaments. I'm going to show you how these are put together. All right, here's the ones that I used, right? So what you want to do is, there's a little bit of layering involved here. So I'm going to start with one of these green ones right here. A nice green one. So this is the red one, and I'm going to do the same version in the green. And then I took one of these kind of outline circles, and I just layered that right over the center of that one. Right? And then we want to take another color. This is another thicker circle right here. I'm going to put that right there in the center. And then it's still got this one right here, so I'm going to add a little jewel there. These are Christmas diamond sparkles. These are Christmas sparkles, and they are very sweet to add. So I'm just going to take this sheet that's already open, and I'm just going to add this one right there for that little gold sparkle. Okay, so that's where we are. Look at all that sparkle. So then I'm going to take one of these little sparkly thin line Jewel Dazzle stickers, just peel right off, and I'm going to just take that and just place it right there and then go all the way to the top. So if I was working with the oval, I would go to the top of the oval, trim that off, and then what I did is I wanted to make a little bit of a hanger. So I took one of the tiny little gold circles. I took my little scissors, and we can zoom in on this part, Steve, and I just cut this in half. Okay, so I just have half of a circle. There we go. And I just put that right on top over. Okay, this is where I need my pokey tool, but it disappeared on my desk somewhere. Just like that. So you've got a little topper on that. And then what I did is I just sort of staggered them. I like to work in odd numbers, so I have 5 here. And what I did is I placed the little strings sort of first. Although this one right here, I did 4, and I was like, I should really do another one, but I didn't want my string to run over the top. So what I did was I just took a little bit of the string and then cut it right there for that string sticker. And then I started here and I went all the way to the top. So right here, I used some cutting dies to add a little foliage to my card. So I've got, this is the foliage toolkit. And I also used the poinsettia die. And for those, I used poinsettia passion cardstock, and it has the 2 shades of green for all my foliage. And then I also used red glitter cardstock for that. And then added some little Tiny Words and Phrases Christmas dazzle stickers, and that comes in Christmas Greetings collection. Okay, and here are the green ones right, nope, that's not the green ones. They're hiding in here. Sometimes these stick together and then they are just a trick. Here it is. I used that one right there. Okay, and that all came together really nicely. All right, I also wanted to show you this one where I used the jewel deco dots, and this one I added some little snowflakes. So once again, used the same patterned paper pack here. We've got our Joyful Christmas, and I used this one. It's kind of a blue. Also, it has a little bit of periwinkle in that. It's such a pretty plaid. And then I just took some coordinating cardstock, went across here and cut that to size. But before I glued this cardstock down, I just layered like the purple, the pink, and the blue. And then on the center, each of those, I added some snowflake dazzle stickers. I added these large silver ones. If I keep talking till I find it, there they go. Just like that. And I just layered those here, and then did a silver Christmas greeting dazzle sticker. That's kind of a script font there at the bottom. All right, so that takes you right into another season there. We've got birthday, we've got 2 Christmas, and then I also want to show you, these work great on candles, you guys. This is a battery operated candle that you could get at the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these guys and just show you how to do some very quick decoration on here. I suppose you could put these on a regular pillar candle, but you would need to make sure that you didn't burn it down. You know how they burn down in the center? You wouldn't want to get these engaged with that. Now we're not going to use the red ones because the red on red just isn't quite as fun. So I'm going to start out with these sort of little halo stickers and just kind of overlap them like that. And then here's some silver. Let's start with some of these larger solid ones like that. And then you can just put those kind of overlapped, I find is just really fun. Let's turn this on, see if we can see that glowing. Oh, I can't really see it glowing with the overhead lights on. All right, and now we've got another large one here. Can do, and we can also layer on top of those as well. We can put this green one right on top of that one. All right, so I'm going to continue going around this and just check in our photo gallery, and you can see what this looks like when it's done. So you guys, we've got a great money saver on these Deco dots. They're really fun. As you can see, they'll take you into different seasons. They're fun and they're shiny and spectacular and they're fun to play with. If you're watching us on our Paper Wishes webisode page, you'll want to find that money saver right over there on the right hand side. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, and just check out that money saver. And then we've also got the individual items that I used everything except the candle, of course. And our product's used right below the video, and you can add things directly to your cart. If you're watching us on YouTube, just check the description box below the video, and you'll see a link that'll take you to our Paper Wishes webisode page, and you'll see everything I just mentioned. And you know what? Don't forget to subscribe. We do 3 to 5 of these videos a week, and I don't want you to miss a thing. So thanks for joining us today, and I'll see you next time.